Hi, today we are going to learn about Sprint Retrospective Meeting. Sprint Retrospective means this is the last meeting that the team will have at the end of the sprint. Okay, so when you complete a sprint, this will be the very last meeting before you start the next sprint. So from the word retro, we understand that this is a meeting where the team is going to discuss about what went well in that particular sprint and what are the negatives, what happened, what are the positives in that particular sprint. So if you don't know what a sprint, these are basic terminologies. Please see my video on what is sprint so that you will understand what is sprint and how long it will take to complete a sprint. So in this meeting, Scrum Master, Product Owner, developers, business analysts, and testers, everybody will join together and collaborate to discuss about what are the positives and negatives in that particular sprint, what went well. So how many stories they were able to finish in that particular sprint, and how many stories were not able to be completed. What are the defects that were found in that particular sprint? How did they fix the defect? What is a critical defect or a medium defect? What is a low defect? And whether there were any production issues. So all that they will discuss in this particular meeting. Once the team gathers all the reviews from all the team members, it needs to be documented in Jira or Confluence. So somewhere, whichever tool the team is using, the team members have to document these reviews and make sure the negatives don't happen in the next sprint. Okay, so the goal of this sprint retrospective meeting is we're going to discuss internally what are the positives and negatives in the current sprint and make sure the negative scenarios don't happen in the upcoming sprints. That's why we have a sprint retrospective meeting. So this is the last meeting in the sprint cycle. It's a very important interview question. They'll definitely ask you what is sprint retrospective meeting and what did you do in that meeting. So you can clearly say that sprint retrospective meeting is a meeting where all the team members will join and will discuss about the positives and negatives, what went well, what went wrong, how many defects were created, how many stories were able to be completed in that particular sprint by the entire team, what work was completed and how many things were postponed, what was the reason for that postponing things. So this is what we will discuss internally, and we have to make sure in the upcoming sprints we don't have the same issues going forward. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.